Sorry, Gordon.
I am deactivated.
Here's some Half-Life trips and tricks, and like with the Half-Life, there's a lot of tips and there's a lot of tricks. And hey, man, get off that! Don't stand there, please. Hey, can you not be in the room with me while I'm doing this, man? Please. Hey, buddy, I need you to do me a favor, man. Just step the fuck off, huh? Take a few steps back, motherfucker. How about that, huh? I don't have to I'll get violent, man. I'll get fucking straight up violent. I don't think you understand, man. There's a lot of things going on in my life. I'm a little unhinged, you son of a bitch. Get the fuck out of my, get the fuck out of here, buddy. Get the fuck out of here anytime you want, but I'm a little unhinged, alright? I got some violent tendencies and some tendencies to be violent, so you better, step off, buddy. I'm a little bit violent, man, but, I got some tips, and here's some tips and tricks for the Half-Life 2, Half-Life 2 Episode 1 and 2. There's a bunch of tips. Hey, man, buddy, I wasn't playing around, buddy. I'm a big boy, alright? I have firearms. I'm ready to attack. There's violence, and I will commit violence. If you're looking in the wrong way, you're talking to me, you're talking about Tuesday, 9 p.m., I'll kill you. I'll put you down, buddy. I'll put you down like a wet noodle, man. Wet little noodle boy. I'll shoot you dead. You're laying in a puddle of noodle sauce. Won't even be alive, buddy. You like sushi? I'll turn you into sushi. Turn you into sushi with those little cheeks, you sushi little boobies. I'll lift you up, lift you down, lift you all around, buddy. How many fucking times have you been to Tibet, bitch? Tibet is my favorite fucking country. I've been there 65 times. That's more than, you ever seen NASCAR? I've been around the block, alright, buddy. I get them, and I'll fuck them up, excuse me.
Don't leave me.
Come!
Ow!
How about that?
Yeah, I feel bad interrupting when you're talking. I don't like overstepping my boundaries. Oh, I guess
The free man must follow. The free man must beware. The free man knows best.
Who's this free man? Have you ever been to Tibet? I'm not lying about that. A lot of mountains and things, and I hate. There's a lot of things. That's a pretty cool place, man. But I'll turn you into a full sushi. Eat you up, lick you down pretty good. Turn you into. I'll turn you left, turn you right. I just like train. Maybe I have a little bit of autism, alright? Just a little bit of autism. Oh, trying to change the channel there. Look at the camera. Look at that. Camera 1. Wow. Subscribe. I don't want to work anymore. I kind of want to kill myself, and there's no other options than just making you subscribe. I need money.